Hi, moms, dads, and winner kids. Welcome to the Winner Moms Podcast.
Hi, moms, dads, and winner kids. Welcome to Winner Kids! It's our community's indoor playground that is small and safe. Perfect for kids like me, ages 1 to 9. We have a slide! Whee! A ball pit? Whee! Ball pit! Rides where we can drive like adults. Inflatable jump area. We have a reading nook, a crafts area, and many more. Did you know that our staff cleans everything every day? They're really nice too. Also, only a limited number of kids are allowed per hour. So we all have a room to play, move, and be silly. It's the perfect place for play dates, fun days, and even birthday parties. So come play with us here in Pasig.
We have Winner Moms podcast. Lagi ako nabubulol. Dahil gusto namin makapag-impart, makapag-share. We also want to learn from you. Comment kayo sa aming pages dito or sa Spotify because we are now on Spotify. You can listen.
Yeah.
Yes! Pakinggan niyo po kami habang kasabay namin na nag-aalaga ng bata, rumaraket sa mga negosyo natin.
At nagpa-podcast.
At nagpa-podcast. Ang daming ganap.
Daming ganap.
So,
So, I'm Rachel, and here with me is...
my name is Ces.
And we are the founders of
Winner
Winner
Kids, Playground.
and Kiddie Party Venue.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So, for this episode, guys, we're gonna talk about Christmas preparation.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
Happy
Merry
holidays.
Christmas, Happy Holidays, maligayang Pasko.
Happy Hanukkah.
Halloween!
No, it's done na, baby.
na.
Happy
And
Halloween
talking
daw.
about our experience as moms now, and our experience with our Christmases before when we were kids.
Okay, milestone of the week.
Milestone of the week first. Okay, game. What is
Naghanda ka ba?
kasi ahead yung episode natin eh.
Okay, ako na lang. Milestone ko. My milestone of the week tayo, explain natin for our new listeners is that just like how we monitor yung milestone ng mga anak natin from their fetus era, era talaga, to hanggang paglaki nila every month, every week, tayo rin, monitor, gusto rin natin i-celebrate yung milestone natin bilang individual, bilang parents, bilang moms.
Yes.
So, yun.
Okay.
Okay, so, yun na
you
nga.
go first. Oh, dahil dyan.
Oh, may fireworks sa
It's
labas.
outside. Oh, there.
Okay.
So, let's talk about milestones of the week first.
Okay.
Starting with you.
Ayun, may mga tatakbo sa likod namin. Okay, so makikita nyo po, malawak tayo. Pwede nyo i-book for kiddie party.
Oh, yeah.
Kung nandito lang kayo,
75 packs.
yes,
Yeah.
dito lang kayo sa Pasig. Marikina actually, and Taytay, Enta. May mga visitors tayo.
Yes,
Oo.
may mga
So,
clients tayo.
ayan, milestone ko is that, alam ko medyo late bloomer ako sa larangan ito. Pero nakapupo na yung baby ko sa bowl.
What? Oy guys, ang hirap mag-potty train.
Oo,
Kaya,
and,
good job.
I admit, hindi siya early like you. Early si Becca eh.
Si Becca, 1-year-old pa lang natitrain na namin.
Oo. Siya naman, si Brico naman is that, kaya niya, marami kaming ready na potty. Pero, siguro ako yun, mahina yung loob ko na kapag half day, hindi siya talaga umihi, pinigilan niya. Parang nag-worry na ako, yung ganyan.
Okay, yeah, get.
So, okay kami sa peeing, sa wee-wee.
It's
Pero,
the pupu.
it's the pupu. So, naabangan ko, nakapupu ka. Pasintabi sa mga kumakain. Pero,
It's the brown thing.
pero, syempre, pag moms, I'm sure, nagsisenda ng mga picture ng mga ano yan. So, kami sa mismong toilet twice. So,
good!
Happy
Okay,
yun.
so guys, each development ng kids
It's different.
is different.
Oo. So, like si Brie, sobrang aga niyang everything else. Nagpa-check nga kami sa pedia niya, parang yung milestone niya, at 2 and 10 months, 2 years old and 10 months, nasa 3.5, almost 4 na. Pero sa potty training, doon pa lang kami hindi pa.
Kasi sobrang advanced sa utak niya. Ayaw niya magpupo pag ayaw niya.
Ganyan. So, Well, I'm sure marami rin makaka-relate
Oo,
sa.
oo.
So, happy ako doon kasi kasi nai-insecure na ako kapag hindi ko pa siya napapotty train. Na parang, ayoko rin naman siyang pilitin.
Oo, yeah.
Kasi, for
Let her
example,
have her
I have
time.
yung best friend kong isa, yung baby niya, hindi niya pinotty train. Automatic, at 3 years
Nagtanggal
old,
na.
mayaw na. So, medyo, sabi ko, baka naman ganun din kami. So, ewan ko, kapag 7 na.
At anyway, guys, hindi pa
Joke
naman 3
lang.
years old si
Si
Bree.
Brady pa
Oo,
naman.
oo. So, may time pa talaga.
Yun.
7
7.
na.
14 years old.
Mommy, I'm poopoo.
Diaper.
Nakakatawa.
So,
Ang pangit.
anyway.
Mami.
So,
Matawag pa galing school, Mami.
yun. I
Okay.
feel that is my milestone because baka kasi ako yung natatakot mag-potty train sa
Saka sa
kanya.
mom, you feel
Saka,
accomplished, di ba? Kahit
Ano
pa
na-stress ako maglalaba tayo ng
Mm-mm.
ng accidents, yung mga
Mm.
ganyan. So, yun lang.
Yay! Congrats for that!
Okay, you.
Oh,
Isip
dahil
ka.
dyan, naisip ko na habang nagsasalita.
Okay, good.
Naisip ko na, my milestone of the week is I'm on my 3rd trimester! Woo! Malapit na!
Nakakalimutan ko pa rin. Ay, oo nga pala, buntis na si
So, hindi naman po kasi planado yung ang aming second
Even
baby.
hindi yung planado.
So, ang linya ni Josh, hindi ko planado niya na kumunti. Nakakainis naman.
Ang susunod na
Parang
palabas
wala
ay
na akong
rated
masabi.
SPG.
Wala na pala akong say sa magiging... Pero I'm happy kasi it's almost there. You're at the point na gusto mo na siyang...
Na parang hindi ko naramdaman talaga nag-pregnant ka. Hindi ka, hindi ka, sis, bed rest muna ako. Walang ganun.
Pero in fairness kasi,
And
you know,
I hope tuloy-tuloy na ganun.
I hope tuloy-tuloy. And ako din, I think ganun din yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi during the pandemic, you had nothing to do but think about just being pregnant.
Oh, now you're,
But now,
you're
kasi we're out of it. Like, my second baby.
nasa mind talaga rin.
Oo.
Not all the time.
Not all
May
the time.
ibang
Up to you.
mommies
Oo.
na,
Ako lang ganun. Kasi parang, I think I would be the same if it weren't pandemic. Tapos nabuntis din ako kay Becca.
okay.
Parang ganun pa rin yung activities ko. Ganyan. It just so happened that I'm happy also that I'm experiencing this na hindi na pandemic. Kasi, ang saya lang. Kasi parang, you get to experience 2 different sides of being pregnant.
Okay.
Yun. And
Congratulations. And we're excited to meet Dolly.
Yes! So, ang maganda kasi parang, mabilis na lang to eh.
Oo.
Next thing you know, nagle-labor ka na. And I'm really excited to see her. I think, yun,
Oo.
moms,
Mahag mo, diba?
mahag mo.
Cute.
There are some moms who think this way. There are also some moms na who might be questioning also their pregnancy. So guys, if you're
Always
one of
consult
those
your
moms,
OB.
Yeah, consult your OB. Or let us know, baka we can help you guys. As mommies.
Yun. And FDA approved naman ang LifeWave. It helps you. It's your testimony.
Oo, that's my testimony. But then again, kasi I've been using
Ask your
this.
OB.
Ask your OB, ask your doctor. I've been using this kasi since 2022. So, I'm
nakasanayan
with it.
ka na.
I'm sanay with it. And it's my own testimony. It's not the companies or anything. No claims being made by the companies. Just me. Yan.
Okay.
Ang bilis ng disclaimer. Ito. Walang kinalaman ang kumpanya dito. Ako lang, makapalamukha ko.
Magtanong.
Magtanong bago
Ito
gumamit.
lang ang experience namin.
Yun. And okay, so let's move on to our topic, which is Christmas. Yeah.
Wish you Christmas. I'm so alala ko agad sa pagkanta ko doon. Okay, let's
go.
talk about Christmas with our family now. Families now. And how was Christmas compared to when you were the child? Kasi 'di ba parang sabi nila, ang Pasko daw po. Sabi po nila, ewan ko if you can agree. Comment below if you agree. Ang Pasko daw ay para lang sa mga bata. Tama ba to?
Sino sila? Ganito natin yan. Sino yan?
So, pero pag naiisip ko, iba talaga yung pag-look forward ko sa Pasko nung bata ako.
Versus now, no?
Oo. Is
That
it
you're thinking about
because
life now?
Is it because hindi na ako yung bata or is it because
Was it lighter
yung
now?
social media era ngayon?
Yeah.
Ganun na ba yun? So, let's
Actually,
talk about it.
That makes sense. Oo.
Okay. Um,
Tell me about your experience when you were young.
when I was young, okay, abang na abang ako. Like sa Pasko, abang na abang ako.
I-imagine ko yung sa akin.
Bakit? Wala lang kasi gathering. Parang it's like birthday na, kasi noon ang birthday ko talagang everyday may mga piece of paper ako. 2 weeks to go, 10 days to go, ganon.
Wow.
So sa Pasko, ganon
Where
din
did
ako.
you celebrate your Christmas? Sa Amerika ba o dito?
Dito,
Okay.
ganito, okay. Getting to know me. Back to first episode.
Diba, alam na natin yung perspective. In America, how was Christmas like? How was
Ano
Christmas
ako, hindi ako Amerika lumaki. 1 year, ilang years lang, 1 year lang akong nag-aral doon.
Mm-mm.
Pero, ang QC girl,
Mm-mm.
became Cavite,
Mm-mm.
became Quezon Province, moved to one city in Cavite,
Napagod na ako.
moved to another city in Cavite, moved to US, back to Manila, now in
Wow.
Pasig.
Wow.
Ganon, medyo ganon.
Napagod ako sa life mo. Napagod ako. Ito mo lang.
Medyo hindi ako isang school, lang. Isang consistent school.
Ay, Doc, nananawagan po kami sa mga doktor. Baka
Therapy.
meron pong makatulong sa kanya.
Meron na.
Okay. Oh, go.
Okay, your mental health matters. Okay?
Yes.
So,
No one's judging.
iba-iba yung mga Pasko ko. Meron akong Pasko sa US na, nag-mascot pa ako as Frosty. Tapos nag-walk ako as mascot sa snow. Parang feel na feel ko gano'n. Naasar ako.
How's your, okay, overall
Okay,
experience with all of these changes in your
Lagi ako excited.
Okay.
Kasi, lagi
Is it
ako excited because
you're
of
in
the
a different
Christmas.
place? Is it because
now
you're
or
switching
before?
places when you were
Hindi.
younger?
Ewan ko.
Just because
Kahit
the
malungkot
spirit.
akong noon, I was excited for Christmas because of the music. Everywhere you can hear Christmas music. Tapos, I never got to experience na ako yung nangaroling mismo. Pero pangarap ko yun, actually. Pero yung may kakatok sa bahay nyo na mga ngaroling.
Ay, ganyan kakatok sa'yo para magnakaw. Joke lang yun.
So, natutuwa ako sa gano'n. Yung
Oo.
parang feeling mo festive na festive.
Mm-mm.
Yon. So, ngayon, medyo napapressure ako kay Brie. Paano ko kaya gagawing festive para kay Brie?
Uy, alam mo, medyo may fault din ako. Hindi din ako ganun na tao.
Kaya for Becca now?
Oo.
Oo, medyo, sinisip ko na lang siguro, meron pa akong plano para meron pa akong, time para magplano kasi hindi pa rin naman yung sobrang natatandaan ngayon.
Ito na yung Christmas mo now, as a mom.
Oo.
Sige.
So ngayon, wala pa masyado. Hindi na hindi na.
Alam mo.
I mean, may countdown na si Jose
Oo.
Marichan, pero hindi na as,
Oo. Alam mo, ako personally, guys, ako na have to be honest, I haven't had my Christmas decors up yet. And-
yes, diba? Noon,
ngayon exciting. My folks, my parents are really like 100% on it. 5 kids kami. So, parang the spirit of Christmas is there in a way na parang, I'm not sure if it's a generational difference. Siguro let us know kung kung kayo...
Do you feel the same?
Oo, as millennial
Do you feel
moms,
differently?
Oo.
Okay.
Going back, ang naiisip ko in my case, siguro I'm just kami ni Josh, or maybe also millennial families now. I don't know. Tell us. Comment down below your experiences. Parang we're like constantly running a rat race
Yes.
na Christmas or not to be political, but I'm gonna like be political
500
right
peso
now.
Noche Buena.
Oh my gosh! My good!
Political moms na naman tayo.
Lord! Hindi, pero
May dumarating na bola dito.
it's really because how would you feel? Christmas is not about the decors, eh. Christmas is about the feeling of festivities and having family around. Pero kung napapansin mo maraming naghihirap, how do you feel?
Yeah.
Diba? How do you feel that you want to celebrate?
You wouldn't even think of that for the employees you have.
I know.
Because kahit na kunwari ako, mawawalan ako ng income kasi binigay ko sa employees ko. Hindi mo pa rin siya
Alam mo,
eh.
nauna pa nga sila mag 13th month. Mas iniisip ko nang mabigyan na yung 13th month nila
Oo,
kaysa, di ba? Kaysa,
Pag Pasko, actually, natatakot ako.
oo. Natatakot ka na hindi mo mabigay.
Hindi, kung Pasko, may look forward ka, no, employed ako. Ngayon ako, doon ako,
kasi-
kabado. Every Pasko.
Oo, ako pagdating na number months, pinaplano ko na sila, okay na mauna sila kaysa sa akin. Parang ganun. And, guys, bakit ganun? Tayo ganun mag-isip sa mga tao natin. Sana naman ang mundo ng Pilipinas ganun din. Ay, political na naman.
Bala,
Nadidepress ako.
Political Moms Podcast.
Guys, ano ang ganun, di ba? But in our own special, in our own little way, yeah. Ako parang, I mean, okay na mawala yung decors for me. Ngayon in this stage, basta lang mapasaya ko yung mga tao. That's Christmas for me now.
Medyo ako naman, both. Parang ayokong ma-deprive si decor.
Kasi masaya nga din.
Pero wala
yan.
pang yung bahay namin na. December na. Wala
ako,
pa. Pero, siguro, kinocompare ko nung bata ako na parang kapag, dati TV tayo eh. Hindi man tayo social media, nag-monitor ng anything, di ba? So, meron kang constant monitoring na, meron pa rin naman ngayon sa TV, pero since we do not watch TV every day now, parang 30 days before Christmas, 25 days, 10 days na lang, Pasko na.
Tapos ayaw mo matulog pa.
Ngayon hindi na tayo constantly nare-remind kasi hindi na natin pinapanood lagi. So, pwede tayo mag-countdown sa page.
I like! Oh, let's do it. Oh, sakto.
Let's
December
bring
1.
the Christmas back.
Sa page.
Oo. Diba?
Dito. Pero, yun nga. Okay, speaking of, we also are doing our Donate a Christmas party. It's our way of giving back to the community. It was Ces's idea. Naisip niya kasi, parang, why don't we give a different sort of Christmas for the less fortunate children?
Nakita kasi natin yan na parang gusto nating maparamdam din sa mga bata na may Christmas party sila.
Oo.
Yun,
And then they get to experience
yung bata
it here.
kaya ako excited sa Pasko kasi may Christmas party.
Oo, yung nagkakahiyaan pa. Pero alam mo,
tapos
marami
lagi
ka
ka may bago kang damit. Kahit na budget na
At saka
budget.
marami kang parang you can get to celebrate it with different
Oo.
kids.
Mga ganun.
Alam mo, since we're talking about this, speaking of how we perceive Christmas, kasi who did I learn this from? Basta may napanood ako or may nabasa ako na in a world where, for children, they are given an ideal world pa with the parents guiding them. So, in things like Christmas, things like celebrations like Christmas, is something already that is in their minds is a big thing. Or in a way na parang it's a big milestone for them. Whereas, as adults, nabatuhan na tayo ng reality ng life. Nabatuhan na tayo ng challenge sa buhay.
Gayon tayo,
It's parang somehow, the perception of happiness in being Christmas is medyo na-mix up na.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you, if you were to create the world, Miss Universe,
A better place. What would it be?
Given if perfect world ibig sabihin hindi limited by finances, hindi limited by our government, by our situation here. What is being a mom, yung perfect Christmas idea na gusto mong ibigay sa kids? Rebecca and Dolly.
Oh my God.
Mangarap tayo
Thank
today.
you for that question. Pero
Contestant number.
Today. What would be? I want her to learn.
Learn?
I want her to learn in a way na she is also open with the reality of life. Na not all kids have the life that I can give.
Advocate
that I'm giving
Becca
her.
pala siya.
Advocate the daughters. Parang in a way that they appreciate small things. Kasi, like, ako, I didn't have the concept na, I learned kasi doing philanthropic work in
Early.
in high school,
Mm.
na siguro ako definitely I learned it from my grandmother. Her name is Dolores. That's why Dolores,
Hi,
si
Dolly.
second daughter, Dolly. Si Mama Lita yon, nickname niya, Dolores Mama Lita. Ewan ko kung mga katandaan nun, ba't ganun yung, pang-nickname.
Lola ko, exaltasyon.
Tapos
Kapatid niya,
nickname.
purifikasyon.
Kasi
Action.
Ang nickname.
Exxon.
Exxon. So, yun.
Mama.
Kasi parang, if hindi mo minulat yung, ako, the way I see it, if hindi ko minulat yung anak ko, that there are sorts of realities in life na ganun, baka, not depression baka parang she's just like, all material things. All Christmas gift. All whatever that I can ask from
Which,
my mom.
sa totoo lang, yung mga bata ngayon may tendency maging ganon.
May tendency maging ganon.
And
if we don't enlighten.
Marami tayong mga Gen Z, makikita na medyo out of touch. Hindi lahat.
Correct.
Hindi lahat. Pero,
there's some.
hindi rin karamihan. Pero may mga out of touch na parang, this is the real world.
I want bags. I want whatever.
Nako.
Na, I just want her to be grateful. Miss
Universe. Ako, ako balance. Ako naman. This is a season of Christmas.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yung feel na season kasi siya, hindi siya one day for me So parang may ganyan na pag-gift-giving siya. Pero also, may white Christmas.
Alam mo, hindi ko maano din tong anak ko kasi hindi rin niya gets yung concept ng I want a lot of gifts.
Oh, good. Experience
siya. Ayun, siguro yun. Since ganun na, we were talking about it. I want to give her the best experience. It's not material, but if I have enough funds to take her around the world, and also that's the reason why I'd like to bring her to a school na flexible. Kasi gusto ko siya maka-experience ng, I want her to experience different things. Kasi ngayon, di ba namumulat siya?
This is not Christmas related, pero naka-register na ba sa points miles si Becca?
Mine pa lang. Pero feeling ko dapat.
Sa Mabuhay Miles pa. Hindi ito sponsored.
Forget.
Pero pwede rin one of these days. Pwede na as early as 2 years old.
Sige.
So, para pagtanda niya, million miler na.
Wala man na siyang million. Marami na siyang miles.
Miles lang. So, kahit ikaw na may bilhin, nasa lounge ka.
Kabang. I'm a million miler.
Tapos nasa seat, dulo rin. Huwag naman. Pero, anyway, back to Christmas.
Ikaw, ganun din.
Gusto ko kasi na ang prayer ko, whether Christmas, pero if we're talking about Christmas, prayer ko is that we experience being able to help, being channel of blessings, and also to experience the pleasures in life. Parang ganyan, mabalanse. So, ibig sabihin, gusto kong may gift-giving. Ang perfect Christmas sa akin, yung nakatulong ka, yung, I know, medyo selfish pakinggan na you're giving because you felt good, pero I also want to really give.
Ano ba essence ng Pasko? Di ba? It's giving.
Yung ganyan. Pero gusto ko rin ng white Christmas. Naalala ko noon, bata ako, feeling ko Paskong Pasko yung naglalakad ako sa snow na hanggang dito. Tapos gagano'n pa. Tapos
malamig.
Dito
kasi sa Pinas, parang naramdaman na Pasko.
Pero sa Pasko ng Pinas is, talaga, songs.
Favorite ko guys, yung, ABS-CBN.
Ako meron, yung Duncan nila, may album sila Jano Gibbs. Napakinggan ko lahat, kinabisado ko lahat. Ngayon, hindi ko na matandaan.
Actually,
pero,
yun ang festivity sa atin.
Music, diba? A favorite song? Christmas song?
Star ng Pasko, pero totoo.
Ako parang may family. Nakalimutan ko yung
Tagalog. I mean, ako,
merong English na OPM na nakalimutan. Basta it's about family, yung mga Christmas in our hearts. Parang mga ganyan. Yun.
Yun ako kasi gusto ko lang Tagalog. It makes me feel like Pinoy pa rin ako. In that way.
Gusto ko, have you done your Christmas
shopping? No.
This was aired. this episode airs today but was shot this date, November.
Oo.
Ako rin.
Bakit? More of like, si Josh kasi utak niya, ano na tayo? Which I love ha. Kasi millennial and then nanay na tayo.
Oo.
Para, ngayon, ang theme ng Christmas natin, Christmas gifts natin, household products. Like, yes! Mga panlinis. Tapos, hindi, sige.
Na-excite ka na.
Na-excite na ako. Tapos, I shop na for
Di ba nagbigay ka na
kids.
sa amin ng alaga?
Oh!
Kaso binuksan na ni Bri, hindi na namin nailagay. Wala
Hindi
pa
nagamit
kaming
yun na.
Christmas tree.
Ay, okay lang yun. At least
Sabi ko,
nagamit
gusto
yun
ko
na.
sabay-sabay magbubukas.
Okay lang. Nabuksan nyo na.
Oo.
Pero, ang CK Brie yung hindi pa namin na,
Okay
so, meron
lang.
pa tayong pumunta.
So, ako, I admit, the past few years, plano lang siya sa mind. Hindi ko na-execute na as in talagang may ano. Maybe this year, tingnan natin, makapamigay talaga. Kasi at least may
Uy,
time.
may idea ko.
Sige.
Pero,
Off the record.
off the record. Sasabihin namin after this.
Pero record namin ngayon.
Hindi kasi, pag-aralan na natin. Kasi, di ba, ang Noche Buena was 500. I want to be able to figure out a way na kasi, marami apektado sa 500 na Noche
Yes.
Buena. I want in our own little way that we'll be able to give Noche Buena to those.
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan. Pero, idea pa lang yun.
Yes.
Pag-aralan.
namin. Taho na lang.
Marami kami ideas. Makikita nyo along the way.
Talaga punta si Rachel.
Hindi. As in, is it like a Noche Buena?
Oo.
Let's see.
Pwede.
Yan, mapag-aralan natin. Yeah.
Okay, so,
How is it like spending Christmas with relatives?
ngayon with your kid na,
Oo. Ang ayoko lang, mga titas, mga titas.
mga nagpapakiss.
Wag nyo na sabi, wag nyo halikan yung mga anak ko pag ha. Magpaalam po. Nagulat ako nung minsan. De, pero, ako, yun. And then, ayoko lang po, yung minsan lang ala tayo magkita, sasabihin niya, ba't ganito ka na? Or mga anak pala ako sa girl, sabihin niya na, sundag ko na.
Ay, boy naman!
Hindi ba po nanganganak? Pansin niyo muna.
Pwede na sundan si Bria.
Girl, okay, mag-boy ka naman. Hindi pa nga po lumalabas eh.
Kayo na po.
Uy. Ikaw, go.
Ako, relatives. Mas happy ngayon kasi ang aking jowa ay lumaki na hindi sila lagi nagse-celebrate. Oo.
Hi, Bri.
Pero, ngayong may family na, sila bumili ng bahay namin. Pero, I mean, sila nag-down payment, kami nag-monthly. So, parang nagkaroon kami ng venue to celebrate together. So, andun sila. Yun, okay naman. Ay, ngayon si Brie, last year 2, pa 2 pa lang siya. Ngayon siya pa 3. Feeling ko mamamayagpag ang piggy bank natin.
Yay! Yes. Lolo, lola.
Ama, angkong. Kasi ngayon si Brie may piggy bank. So, ganito nga
Ito may
iniisip.
bank account eh.
Meron. Pero siya may piggy bank na ano.
Ang cute.
Siya yung naglalakagay. Hindi.
So, meron ka. So,
May bank account siya, pero
iba pa yun.
yung siya yung mismong nag-iipon.
Oh, yung cute. At least you're making her learn how to save.
Nga yun ang ko. Pwede natin give away yun. Piggy bank. Anyway,
Kasi pag-aralan natin. Nag-iisip na kami dito. Wala pala kayo sa aming podcast. Pero,
therapy session, meeting.
Ay, may pala
Podcast pala tayo.
Nag-isip na. Okay. Sige. Hindi, actually.
Brainstorming.
Nakasama kayo.
na playground ba? May tumatakbo sa likod.
Actually, maganda yun.
Being a mama. Ganyan talaga.
Being a mom.
Multitasking.
Ito pala, ako, Christmas, I love to host. Josh and I are hosts.
Follow niyo po sila sa page. Ano yung page niya?
Pero
Josh.
iba yung mag-host ng event.
Sabaw. To host the gathering.
No, in a way, na parang, pag naatasan kami for family,
Mm-mm.
we really try to
Okay,
take away
gets.
to
Well, kami rin, medyo default kami yung
Oo.
nag-host
Kami
sa
yung parang magkasama kami ni Josh, kakain kami, kasama natin si Lola. Nandun kami ganon. So,
Super close nga kayo.
in our
ng
own simple
both
way.
sides.
Both sides. In our own simple way, we try to like get them together.
Oo.
So, that would be like a perfect Christmas for us. The same way na parang, before kasi kami magpipinsan din on the mom side.
Maganda
Nagkikita-kita.
yun.
Whether it's a big event or not, basta kainan magkikita-kita. So, para every year, yun na yung namin. And then, we want to keep that tradition. And hopefully, we get to do that with the cousins who have
At saka super close talaga kayong magkakapatid and mga
Oo.
in-laws and
Super close na nag-aaway kami lagi.
pero at least nag-aaway kayo, hindi yung hindi kayo
Hindi wala
nag-uusap.
kang issue, diba?
Oo.
Nag-aaway kami lagi, pero mahal namin.
Out of
isa't
love.
isa. Out of love. Out of love naman yun. Pero alam mo, hindi pa nag-aaway lagi, pero biglang pag nangailangan ng tulog, nandiyan kami lagi. Parang ganon. So, that's how our
That's
family,
Pasko rin naman.
that's our chemistry.
Oo. Ano pa ba ang Pasko related?
Good morning mga kabarangay! Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating lactation room sa Barangay San Antonio kung saan parte ng ating first 1,000 days nutrition program ay nagkaroon po tayo ng ganitong facility. So, i-share lang po namin ito para sa inyo lahat. Libre-libre itong facility natin para sa inyo. Pakilala ko lang po, this is CJ, ang ating barangay nutritionist, and si Nanay Lorena, ang ating barangay hired lactation specialist. So, guys, ba't nga ba tayo nagkaganito?
So yun, ang aking barangay nutrition lactation station na ito ay ginawa po namin para po bigyan ng karapatan or bigyan ng services yung ating mga lactating mothers po dito sa Barangay San Antonio para meron po silang safe space para po sila ay makapag-breastfeed ng maayos.
So ito na mga kasama ang facility ng lactation room ng Barangay San Antonio. Meron tayong wash basin, makikita nyo rin ang ating munting milk depot na monitor din ang temperature ng mga gatas na dinodonate. Makikita rin ang IEC materials para sa mga ina at sa mga bata. Dito naman ang ating breast pump at diaper changing area para sa babies. So ayan ang ating munting lactation room sa Barangay San Antonio.
We have also Nanay Lorena here para suportahan yung kanilang lactation journey.
Yes, din ako. Kaya yung mga mommy na mga nagpapa-breastfeed, malaking tulong po ito para sa inyo. Para mas magabayan po namin kayo, nandito po kami. Ako po bilang breastfeeding counselor, nandito po ako para magabayan po kayo para po sa tatagal na inyong breastfeeding.
Open po tayo from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. At kung gusto niyo naman po magpa-counseling kay Nanay Lorena, nandito po siya every Wednesday, 9 a.m. hanggang 12 noon. So mga kabarangay, sana ma-maximize yung ating service dito sa Barangay San Antonio. Bye!
Bye!
Gift ideas or ideal gifts for you now that we are moms.
Ako, hindi ko alam kung matutupad ko to.
Ah,
Pero sa mga inaanak, ang plano kong ipang-bigay ay piggy bank. Kaya ako nasabi.
cute!
Tapos,
something different.
Oo, yung piggy bank na hindi mahal. Tapos lalagyan na lang ng seed money. Na yung seed money, yung bata, yung inaanak ang maglalagay. Hindi ko pala natutupad kasi
ito pa rin na natin.
ito pa rin na natin. Nakikinig po kayo sa mga inaanak.
Ako naman, I like to give clothes.
Mm.
Ako, I'm not a toys giver.
Mm-mm.
Simply because,
Are you not? Yung first bag ni Brick sa'yo galing eh. Hindi pa siya pinapanganak, binigyan mo lang
cute
ng bag.
yun, hindi sa toy.
Okay. Sabagay, bag.
Kalandian yun.
Unicorn bag.
Ano, more of like, hindi ako magbibigay ng toy. Magbibigay ako ng something that I think you may use.
Okay.
Yun. So, ayun, mga inaanak, expect damit ko makukuha.
How do you...
Wag lang yung kakatok, tapos mamamas ko.
Ay, hindi ko naranas. Nung sa probinsya kasi,
Pwede naman.
nag-aaral ako sa probinsya. So, also, yung parents ko, more on sa Quezon province sila. Yung, hindi ako, pero yung mga cousins ko, mas nakasanayan na nagbabahay-bahay. Or yung iba, nagbabahay-bahay talaga. Hindi ko naranasan yun, pero may iba na naririnig akong ganun. Maganda rin yun eh. Parang,
Masaya. Actually,
Mas
parang
parang-
mas masaya sa pag-provincial, no?
oh, alam
Then,
mo,
oo.
best memory ng Christmas, what's yours?
Mine?
Childhood memory.
Ulitin ko kaya ako na
Best childhood Christmas memory.
Best childhood Christmas memory would be pag nag-jingle-jingle, caroling kami sa parents namin, tapos may ready
Ah.
money.
Tama.
Yun.
Sasayaw ko pa, no?
Oo, sasayaw ka pa ng papeke. Anak, what's your best Christmas gift? Come on. For
yourself. What do
for
you-
yourself. What's your Christmas wish?
Hindi ko alam kung abot sa.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Okay, we know. Tama, simple lang ang mag-isip ko.
Mabilis magsumagot.
Teddy bear. Okay.
Ako,
Ikaw. Go.
probinsya. Hindi ko alam kung legal to. Pero, New Year pala to, hindi pala to Pasko. Pero, sumasakay kami ng fire truck.
Wedding.
Hindi naman. Sumasakay kami sa fire truck.
Ay, ang
Tapos
saya.
yung uncle ko kasi, fireman. Sumasakay kami sa
Noon pa
fire
yun.
truck kapag, legal pa, hindi pa, noon, hindi pa,
Wala kayong alam dyan nangyari.
hindi nyo na pwedeng gawin ngayon. Tapos, mag-iingay yung fire truck sa bayan. Tapos, nakasakay kayo doon. Instead of fireworks para mag-ingay, di ba pag, gagana.
Nang babasa kayo.
Hindi naman, iikot lang. Dapat pala next episode ko sinare to kasi New Year pala to. Sige, ito na lang. Yung with my cousins noon, magpa-practice kami ng dance. Just like you, da-dance naman kami. Bigay na bigay kami. Kasi feeling namin may cash prize.
Tapos ang laki pa kasi na 100 na din, di ba? Parang, may binigyan ka 100, wow!
Tapos hindi ko kasi direct kamag-anak yung iba. Mas direct kamag-anak siya ng mga pinsan ko. So, bigyan sila 500, 1,000. So, bibigyan ako ng 100. Okay na rin kasi nakakaipon din ako. Oo.
Ngayon kasi, ayun, Dolce Buena na naman tayo.
500. Bata pa lang, may 500 na tayo ngayon. That's buena. Anyway,
Yeah.
probinsya yun Binibigyan sila ng
Oo.
500
ang laki nun.
As in barrio, Villa nga yung Villa Bota. Yun na yung tawag
Ang
nun
saya.
Tapos merong
Ayan, so
So,
yun.
na-experience ko ang probinsya at ang White Christmas.
Ang Aguinaldo masaya din. Yung bago yung
Hindi ko alam
pera.
yun. Ay,
May
mabango.
Aguinaldo, tapos galing sa
Oo.
bangko, tapos naka-balot pa yun. Tapos
Kaso yung 20 pesos ngayon, coin na
Oo nga
50 pesos na ngayon.
Oo, 20 masaya.
Mataas na budget. $1, $1, $1.
Pero kahit in any sense, kahit mga pera or hindi, basta may feeling ka lang na nakapagbigay ka, nakapagpasaya ka.
Yes.
Pasko na eh.
And
Diba?
ako,
So,
feel
ito lang.
Game.
Since we're sorry. Ang Pasko sana for me, year-round. In terms of being good.
ang lalim nun. Yan ang gusto
Hindi
ko.
1 month lang. Hindi yung lang.
Oo.
Di ba? Kasi minsan parang after ng Pasko, others na kayo.
Nun,
Diba,
Pasko lang tayo mag-gathering.
Pasko na tayo mag-gathering. Pero parang I just feel like we miss it out in other parts of the year.
Maybe, kaya hindi natin feel ang Pasko countdown because we're experiencing Pasko all year round.
Kasi kay Brian. Joke.
Josh.
Ay, dada. Pero yeah, but yeah, in any case, this episode, we just really want to say na sana tuloy-tuloy.
Jesus is the reason for the reason.
Yeah.
For the season. Sorry, bulol talaga ako kahit anong mangyari.
Reason for the reason.
Reason for the reason. Sabi ko nga dati, SM Aurora. Kahit na araw-araw ako nag-SM Aura.
Ilang bagyo na yung dumaan. Ilang bahana yung naranasan natin. At ilang lindol ang sumubok sa ating mga Pilipino. Kaya ito na yung tamang panahon para maghanda tayo. Mang Tanis Go Bag. Naglalaman po ang Mang Tanis Go Bag ng mga mahalagang gamit na kakailanganin ng isang individual o kaya naman isang pamilya. At yan ay para sa unang 3 araw pagkatapos ng isang sakuna. At madali rin po itong dalhin. At syempre, mayroong information booklet para po sa inyong dagdag kaalaman. Meron ding Mang Tanis First Aid Kit, may Mang Tanis Solo Go Bag, at Mang Tanis Family Go Bag. Maghanda tayo. Maghanda na Mang Tanis Go Bag.
Anyway, ako, Christmas, family talaga siya. And ako, I also experienced spending Christmas without, ng malayo. So, we also feel for the moms na hindi nila kasama yung family nila during this Christmas.
Oo.
I hope that yung technology can also bridge that longing,
Yeah.
that gap, yung ganyan. And things will get better din naman.
Yeah,
Diba?
yay. So, anything that we can share or any closing?
Let's just do the best that we can.
Mm-mm.
Kasi baka nape-pressure din naman tayo to make
Correct.
things grand.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, I admit, medyo may naiisip ako, paano ko ba paparamdam sa anak ko
Execute. Oo.
na Pasko? Just like how I looked forward counting down the days before Christmas. Pero I think, yung best natin, they will feel that naman.
Yeah.
Yun. And as long as, whether physically together, like for us, or hindi physically together, like for other families,
Mm-mm.
we get to have the courage to express our love for our loved ones. Not everyone can express their love, di ba?
Yeah.
Alam, mahal nila, pero lagi nila sasabihin, ang tagal kong hindi nasabi sa'yo to. Pero, so, feeling ko yun yung Pasko. Yung, ang saya nyo lang kasi may nagmamahal sa inyo at minamahal. Nakakapag-express kayo ng love nyo.
I like that.
Yes.
Yun na
So,
rin ang closing.
I second the motion.
Wala na ako masabi.
So, yun, we again plug.
Yes.
Donate.
Okay, so we'd like to plug our Donate a Christmas Party. It's happening for this season. We are looking for partners who might want to,
Sponsor kids.
Sponsor kids. We are sponsoring 20 kids and 20 companions
Per party.
for a party, for a 3-hour party, 3 to 4 hour party here at Winner Kids. So they get to experience the playground. We have games.
Yes.
We have giveaways.
Dance.
Whatever.
And
yeah.
to Christmas songs.
Enjoy. Dance through Christmas songs. And we also have a program where the kids can enjoy.
Yes, definitely.
If you guys are looking at finding an outlet to share your love for Christmas, this might be the one for you.
Habol na po!
Yes!
Merry Christmas!